In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Photoshop brush again, but this time using scanned in images of different textures. So to start off with, just scan your textures in, or you can find some of these examples on our website that you can download. So first things first, I'm just going to turn this round to go to the transform controls. I'm then going to convert this to black and white and level it. Just like you did with the Carson responses, it is easier to create your brushes in black and white if possible. So I'm just going to turn this to black and white, and then I'm going to level it up and really add sort of a high contrast to the image, because what it's going to do is it's going to pick up on just the black pixels. So just move those right in. So you can see that heavy contrast there now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of some of these additional splatter marks around the edges. Now you can use the eraser tool if you want to, but in this case I'm going to use the brush. So just click on the brush tool, make sure it's on white, and then just paint over some of these splashes here, because you don't want all of them being picked up. So just take your time doing this. Great. And then once you've done that, you're going to go to your magic wand tool. So click on the magic wand, select the area, and again, you need to select similar. So go to select, similar, and then that picks up all the black pixels in your image. And then we're going to go to edit and then define brush preset. Click on this, name the brush. It's always handy to name your brushes. I'm just going to call this ink 1. And then click OK, and there you can see I have my brush there. So what I'll do is I'll just create a new doc, print A4, there we go. And then if you click on the icon there, the folder with the brush in, remember this is where your brush presets are that you can adjust. If it is the outline of your brush is not visible, make sure that your caps lock is off. So just click on there. I'm just going to show you that this one works. So I'm going to go on a pink, click OK, and then just click and there's your brush. Simple as that. The next one we're going to look at masking tape. So again, just put some masking tape on a piece of paper. You can scan this in, or you are very welcome to use the ones on the hccr.co.uk website. So I'm going to convert it to black and white again. And remember, we need lots of contrast in this. So we're going to level it up. Move that right in the dark tones. You want that contrast. You want the folds in the masking tape. This time I'm going to use the lasso tool instead of the magic wand. So I'm just going to draw using the anchor points here, using the polygonal tool. I'm just going around the edge of this masking tape. You can use the magic wand tool if you wish, but I always think for the tape it works better if you use the lasso tool. So go around, select carefully, there we go, right to the beginning. And then again, go to edit, define brush presets. There you go, so I'm just going to call it tape 1, click OK. And then let's go to the doc that I've just created, and then click here. You might not be able to see it with the pink. No, so let me change it to black and white so then you can see it. There. So you've got your tape, as simple as that. Again, you can go to your brush presets and you can move these round. If you move your spacing across and you can rotate it, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. And the final one is brush strokes. So very simply, you can get these offline, or you can make your own and scan them in. I'm just going to use the magic wand tool, select similar again, and then go to edit and define brush preset. There we go. And then go to my dock again, and here you go. Simple as. You can also use the brushes as eraser tools as well. So you know your eraser, you can click